In this demonstration, we'll explore how natural language can empower an AI agent to process complex data and present it in a human-readable format. For this example, I'm working in Copilot Studio. This agent is empowered with two actions. First, to find a customer based on criteria, and second, to get devices for that customer. Both actions retrieve data from A365. Here we have our natural language instructions. I want to highlight one particular section where I instruct the agent to parse the JSON response and present the device name only. This is key. In the past, we would have had to programmatically instruct the agent on what to do. But today, we can use natural language instructions to help the agent understand our intent and enable this generative AI orchestration. So, by giving it these natural language instructions and empowering it with two actions from our AI enabler, we can simply go ahead and test this agent by entering a customer's email address. We'll start by saying, "Find customer," and then enter the email address. When we test this, you can see the agent comes to life and understands the intent. It runs the first action, which returns a result, and then chains that to the second action, which returns the device information related to that email address. The output of that second action is a large amount of JSON. If you're not familiar with JSON, just imagine a chunk of text that is not easily human-readable. However, by using the natural language instruction where I asked it to parse the JSON and present the device name, the agent's output is different. The agent says, "I've found the customer, and now I'm going to provide you with the details of their associated devices." It presents a human-readable list containing the device name and the device ID from A365. By entering just a couple of natural language sentences, we've empowered these agents and actions to come to life.